Welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at a Stihl 075 AVE. This one was made in 1974. It's a 111cc motor, 6.77 cubic inch. This one power head weighs 23 pounds. It's capable of running up to a 60-inch bar. This one has a 32-inch 404 bar and chain on it, sprocket nose. And when we talk about the gauge, we're talking about the thickness of the bar rail. And this is a 63 gauge. And it's a vintage old saw. It's got a few dings on it. Somebody's looks like put a little patch on there. It's got a weld down on the lower ear here. Doesn't seem to affect the running of it. It's got the wrap handlebars. And the oiler's an automatic and manual. And right there's the button for that. And the fill cap right here. And this is just an old workhorse. We'll go outside and make a couple cuts with it.